Hello and welcome to my new channel, AutoCAD Fundamentals. My name is Eric, and today we're going to go over the guide plate, which is the first design there in the AutoCAD tutorial first level 2D fundamentals textbook. And I am going off the 2016 version. So I already have the units and the um, drawing limits set up here. So I'm not going to go over that unless somebody would like a video on that. But we'll just go ahead and jump into it. So over here on the picture, I would like to go ahead and start on this corner, and I want this corner down here to be right on 0, 0. So we're going to start with the line command here. It's going to ask for my first point, and again, I want this one right over here. It's going to be at 6.5, 6.5. So we'll come back over here, 6.5, 6.5. We're going to hit enter, and our line started. So to start here, I'm going to keep it pretty simple, and we're going to go ahead and turn on ortho mode, and that's going to restrict your cursor to your cardinal directions there, which for this drawing will be pretty convenient. So we'll put our mouse over in the left-hand direction here, and we'll type in 6.5 for the length. We'll go down. It's going to be 6.5 again. Move my screen a little bit. We're going to go over to the right, 5.5, up 2.5, again over 2.5. We're going to go up 3.0. And then to close out this line, I'm going to turn off ortho mode. You can also hit F8. And then I'm going to come to this object snap toolbar. I'm going to click on this one, which is snap to endpoint. And then it should snap right to that box. And you can see that by that little orange box there when I hover over it. And we'll click and then right click and hit enter. So there's the outside of the shape of the guide plate, and then we'll go ahead and draw these circles. We'll start with the bottom left, the larger of the two. We'll go up here to the circle command, and then since it's shown us with diameter, we're going to use the center and the diameter circle button. It's going to ask for a center point, and this circle is at 2.5, 3. Now it's going to ask us for our diameter. You can tell right there by the cursor or by looking down in the console here, it'll say diameter right there. Diameter is going to be 2.5. We can hit the space bar. It'll open up the last command we just did, which is the circle. Center point for that one is going to be 5, 5. And then right now, since I reopened the circle command, it's not doing the same diameter selection like I first did, because it's asking me for my radius. So instead of that, I'm going to hit D, enter, and that just switched it over to asking for the diameter. Diameter of this circle is going to be 1.5. And that is it right there. That's our guide plate. Thank you.